Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to probably the best organelle. So let's not waste any more time and come right in to the Endoplasmic Reticulum.
Ah, the baby's coming! The baby's coming! Oh my, don't worry, everything will be alright. Here, lie down. Just keep breathing, okay?
Now, what you see here is a mother ribosome about to give birth to a baby protein. She, along with many other ribosomes, live on the rough part of the endoplasmic reticulum.
Okay, honey, I'm gonna have to ask you to push, okay? 1, 2, 3, push! Get this thing out of me! I've been making proteins for so long, I'm getting sick and tired of keeping more! Push it out! Ah! Protein! Isn't it so beautiful? I'm actually glad that I do make proteins because without me, proteins would be made. And proteins are important since they support other cells. Yeah, such a shame we won't be able to see much of her though. Oh well, she was only my 495th protein. I guess it's time to send her off, isn't it? And besides, I'm sure my little protein will act as a beautiful little helper and support the functions of other cells. I cannot wait to make another one.
As you can see, ribosomes don't get to spend too much time with their kids. It's much more important that they keep producing proteins so that the cell can function normally. Now, this protein will be packaged up in a vesicle and delivered to the Golgi Apparatus by our very own delivery nurse.
There we go, nice and snug. Yeah, this is beautiful. Your cell will become very important. Are you sure she'll be comfortable? My baby has a very important job to do, you know? Of course. I've done this many times. Your protein's in great hands, miss. Time to say goodbye, I guess. Okay, now be a little good protein for mommy.
Yeah, I created them all.
I make proteins almost every day. It's a long process, but it's worth the wait. Helps the cell function, and it supports it as well. My little protein gets shipped away, but I know she's safe with the Golgi. It goes in a sturdy vesicle through all the cisternae. My protein, so big and strong, helping all the cells in every way they want. This is what I do. I make proteins and I'm pregnant with a protein. I can do anything about it. It's the way I work, and I'm pregnant with a protein. This is what I do. I make proteins, yeah.
Now, this protein will be shipped away by our delivery nurse here. It'll be moved to the Golgi Apparatus, where it'll have to mature and spend the next part of its life preparing to be sent off to work in the cell, where it makes its vital processes.
Here we are, little guy, the Golgi Apparatus. You'll be spending the next part of your life here maturing until you're a big, strong protein that can help regulate the cell, tissues, and organs.
On the other side of the ER, a very different patient is waiting.
The babies are coming! The babies are coming! Oh my, don't worry, lie down.
Here in the smooth ER, there aren't any ribosomes to make proteins, so instead the smooth ER makes things like hormones and lipids. What you see here is a mother who's about to give birth to the materials needed to make the cell membrane.
Push! Ah! It's twins! A cholesterol and a phospholipid!
They're lovely. Soon they'll combine and make up parts of the cell membrane. The safety of our cell is in great hands. Your children will now become essential parts of the cell membrane.
Oh, I'm so proud of them already.
I'm sorry, but it's time for me to send them off to work.
Already?
Yes, sorry, ma'am.
Oh well.
See, you fit right into the cell membrane.
As you can see, the endoplasmic reticulum has two very different yet similar parts. The rough ER has things like ribosomes, which help produce proteins, while the smooth ER, which doesn't have these ribosomes and has a smooth shape, helps make things like lipids and hormones. Even though they're different, they have many similarities. Both of these parts produce the materials needed in the cell and also ship them throughout the cell. But none of this would be possible without organelles like
The Golgi Apparatus, which puts labels on substances in order for them to get to certain parts of the cell. However, this will all not be possible without the help of certain vesicles, such as
Vesicles, which are small, spherically shaped sacs that empty their contents throughout the cell. Nevertheless, nothing would be functioning without the help of proteins, which are produced by ribosomes throughout the cell.
We all hope you enjoyed A Day in the ER.